Hi everybody, it's Miss Jess. I'm coming to you live from my kitchen, and I thought that I would make one of the ideas that we posted on our Facebook and Instagram, one of our science activities called Goop. So I got my cornstarch, that's what that looks like, and I have a bowl and I'm gonna get some water. So let's see, my sink's right here. So I have some water in this bowl. And then you need a mixing bowl too, okay? Oh, let me get a spoon, hold on. Now I have a spoon. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding some cornstarch to my mixing bowl. So I grabbed a third of a cup measure. You probably don't need to measure it, but, oh, and it doesn't fit in my thing, so I guess I'm gonna pour some cornstarch into it. Whoa, and you'll need help with your mom or your dad or whatever adult you're home with. They'll have to help you. And then, look, I got cornstarch all over my hand. I guess I didn't prepare too well. And then I'm gonna rinse this little mixer off here, this little cup. And I'm gonna add some water. And it says to add until it becomes like pancake batter. So here, I just added a little. I don't know if you can see it in there. And I'm gonna try to mix it with my spoon. Feels like it needs more. So let me add some more. It got kind of, I don't know if you can see it, it got kind of lumpy. I'm gonna add some more. And I'll mix it again. Ooh, it's getting really gooey. I might need to mix it with my hands, I don't know. You're definitely gonna need an adult to help you mix it because it seems a little goopy. You know what, maybe I'll try with my hands here. Let's see. So it's a little, I don't know if you can see that. It's a little too thin, so I think I'll add a little bit more cornstarch. Let me rinse my hands. It's a little trial and error, yes. Okay, get my towel, wipe my hands, and some more cornstarch, I guess. Sprinkle a little in there. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Ooh, it's getting good. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. So I did not use food coloring. I didn't make it a color. I'm just sort of mixing it with my hands. This is kind of a tough one to mix, but it feels kind of cool if you mix it with your hands. You see it? So to me, on the bottom, it feels like pancake batter, but not all the way through. It should be when you touch it like this, it gets hard. And then when you run your fingers through it, it's liquidy like that. So let me add just a little bit more. I spilled some on my counter, so I'm gonna try to throw that in. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, this is so much fun. Ooh, all right, let me see if I've got the right consistency. Yeah, I think I do. Okay. I'm gonna show you what I have. So let me rinse off my hands so I can pick up my bowl again. Okay, so it's white because I didn't color mine, but if you touch it like this, it's almost hard. But when you pick it up with your hands, it turns to liquid. And do you know why it turns to liquid when you pick it up with your hands? Because your hands are really warm. And so when your hands are warm, it warms up this goo and it turns it liquid. But when you touch it, it's hard. It feels like a hard surface that you're touching. And then you pick it up like this. Ooh. Now, Mom and Dad, this can get messy. So maybe they could play with it at their table with a tablecloth on it. But it's definitely very soothing. And then when you poke it, it's really hard. It doesn't get on your finger. But when you pick it up, because your hands are warm, it goes right through. Isn't that exciting? Well, I hope you have a good time making goop or whatever you choose to make. And make sure you tag us. If your mom or dad post a picture on Instagram or Facebook, make sure they tag us because we want to see your smiling faces and what you guys are doing. Bye, everybody.